And please raise your right hand. Resource persons and witnesses, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this Senate inquiry proceedings?
Yes.
Senator, they have all answered in the affirmative. Good morning po, Senator Ontiveros. For today's inquiry, the Department of Justice, which is supposed to be represented by Secretary Jesus Remulla, is represented by Senior State Counsel Mary Grace Quintana. We also have the Director for the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, CIDG, PB General Nicolas Torre III, and Police Lieutenant Colonel Jean Likud, Police Colonel Hansen Marantan. Okay. For the National Bureau of Investigation, we have Investigator Victoria B. Canyo Jr. Victoria. And SI Geraldo P. De Luna. From the Department of Social Welfare and Development, we have Social Welfare Officer 5, Ms. Charito Esteban. And Attorney for Edgar Alian Pamis. From the Department of Interior and Local Government, we have ASEC Romeo P. Benitez. From the Department of Foreign Affairs, we have Undersecretary Jesus Gary Domingo. We have Secretary Enrique Manalo. Sorry po. And Attorney Zeph Goson. From the Bureau of Immigration, we have Attorney Vicente Uncad and Attorney Jose Calito Zailicas. From the Council for the Welfare of Children, we have Undersecretary Angelo M. Tapales. From the Commission on Human Rights, we have Chairperson Richard Palpalatok. From the Securities and Exchange Commission, we have Attorney Jonathan Pancrasius Pagirigan. We have Chief Counsel Attorney Hale Oliver Labayo and Attorney Pamela Lorraine S. Ramos. From the Social Security System, they are represented by Ms. Marie Elaine Estoque, their Vice President for Mindanao South 1 Luzon Division. And Ms. Irene Laksamana, as well as Ms. Alnora Presbitero, Ms. Elaine Perucho, Attorney Joseph Desuña. From the Center for Migrant Advocacy, they are represented by the Executive Director Ellen Sana. From the now Independent Press Council, they are represented by the President Edita Caduaya. And the founding leader and executive pastor of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, together with Miss Jacqueline Roy, Resente Canada, Pauline Canada, Ingrid Canada, Sylvia Semañez. With online is Miss Arlene Canuda Stone, Mr. Edward Ablasa Masayon, Mr. Joar Martinet Olimba, Ms. Teresita Tinanhan Valdehuesa, Ms. Jocelyn Mondejar, and online also is Ms. Yulia Veronin, and online also is Mr. Dindo Garcia Makiling. We will be joined later by alias Marie, Senator. That's all. May I request all of those who have not yet taken their oaths, the resource persons and witnesses as well, to stand up. And please raise your right hand. Resource persons and witnesses, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this Senate inquiry proceedings?
Yes.
Senator, they have all answered in the affirmative. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Comsec, at maraming salamat sa lahat ng resource persons.